Hello everybody. Today I am doing this video. It's because today is the 4th of July of 2025. And you're about to hear this right now. It's the fireworks coming right now. Oh, I thought the fireworks is about to come, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I usually do this when I do fireworks and the 4th of July videos, like fireworks like this. I usually do this time of year, and I can hear a firework from over there just now, and I don't see it. I thought I saw a little bit just now, actually. Can you guys hear the fireworks, but you don't see it? Looks like I saw a plane flying in the sky right now. I hear a little bit of fireworks from over there, but I still don't see it. Can y'all? Oh, thought I heard a firework from over there. I can see a little bit of fireworks from over there now. Oh! I thought it was it sounds like a big firework to me, but to me it looks medium to me. Oh, I saw a firework. I see some fireworks over there right now. Can y'all see them a little bit? Or how big y'all can see? Okay. I don't know if y'all can see the fireworks, but I think I can hear them. Oh, I'm seeing fireworks from over there again right now. Oh, and another one just now from a little bit closer. Okay, now I'm seeing fireworks. Now I'm seeing fireworks over there now. Oh, a big one! Right there. Sounds like a big one to me. Well, oh, another big one. That it sounds like to me again. Are you guys and girls seeing the fireworks I'm recording right now? I think y'all might see a little bit right now, unless I zoom in like this. Oh, I can hear a big one, big one! I'm sorry if that scared y'all. But anyways, that's it for the 4th of July 2025 video. And bye.